social transformation agenda.
Nagtuo si Davao Oriental Governor Corazon Malanyaon ug Mati City Mayor Michelle Nakpilrabat nga dakong ikatabang sa pagpaasdang sa sektor sa turismo ang pag-abli sa operasyon sa Mati Airport kay mas modaghan pa ang mga turista ang maengganyo nga mobisita sa probinsya ug galing aduna nay mga commercial flight gawas og sulod sa Mati City. Duna na say mga investors nga nagpakita og interes sa pagbubuog puhunan sa Davao Oriental, particular sa Mati City tungod sa dakong potensyal sa lugar nga molambo. Hilabi na nga naila usab ang Davao Oriental nga dunay daghang tourist spot.
So that you can all join our local leaders in envisioning the future of this airport since it is fully developed and together hopefully commit to turn that vision into reality.
Just to update everybody, we have been receiving visitors here showing interest in Mati as a tourism destination, which everybody I think will agree that it is a destination for all. So we had a guest with Ma'am Cora, DOTR, to discuss the schemes, no, the short term and the long term, which was presented earlier. For the airport to be operational, we need around 375 million. But I don't think we have to wait for that to be fully implemented before we can start operations. Because the VP, Vice President of PAL, Sir Harry, came and wanted to explore more, not just Mati, but more of the province, because we have more beautiful sites here, of which you should come and see. So, ngayon, ang sabi niya, they can fly in, at least for the Fokker aircraft, because they were able to do that in Katiklan. It doesn't have to be the Airbus yet, but we can start just by opening it. And the most recent guest we had was the United Philippine Surfers Association, who came here because they're exploring Mati to be another site for the surfers paradise. So there is a talk that they always say that where we go, PAL goes. So once they open it up, it's not just Mati, and it's most unique ang aming province because according to them, you have 3 sites, which is Mati, Katiil, and Baganga. So again, the need for the airport, because there is a suggestion also from Mayor Baste of Davao. He said, why not chase the waves? Do it na Cebu, Siargao, Mati, Davao. Parang ganun ang route. That's the suggestion. So everything is exploratory, but sabi nga, nothing is impossible if you dream and dream big. And we are kind of hopeful ni Ma'am Cora that the presidential assistant is here, endorsed by the RDC.
Usa sa mga prioridad sa administrasyon ni Governor Malanyaon ang pagpalambo sa sektor sa turismo sa probinsya nga naninguha nga maila isip usa sa nagunang tourist destination sa Pilipinas. Sama ni Governor Malanyaon ug Mayor Rabat, suportado sab ni Department of Tourism 11 Regional Director Tanya Rabat Tan ang pag-abli sa operasyon sa Mati Airport. Hilabi na nga hinay-hinay nang mibalik og saka ang ihap sa mga turista nga mibisita sa probinsya human ang pandemya.
It's very keen also in positioning Mati as a free diving destination, as it will also be a good event, especially if we have events. We welcome this type of visitors because they stay long, no? They can stay 2 weeks in a place and they spend, no? If they stay in a place. And that can also help sustain, in fact, the route Cebu-Mati, hopefully in the future. And if we can actually stage more events and improve our festivals, which will give people a reason to visit our place, it definitely will help sustain the load, no, flight load of the. Hopefully, soon there will be commercial flights already.
Naglaom ang lokal nga gobyerno sa Davao Oriental nga pinaagi ni Secretary Leo Magno ang Presidential Assistant for Eastern Mindanao mapaabot niini kang President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang mga plano alang sa kalambuan sa rehiyon, hilabi na ang gikahinaman nga Mati Airport.
What is tasked of me is to to monitor the status and evaluate the implementation of national programs and projects in Eastern Mindanao and regularly report on its progress to the President. To coordinate with concerned government agencies, local government units, and as may be applicable, the private sector to facilitate and strengthen private and public collaboration on matters affecting Eastern Mindanao.
Ang Mati Airport nahimutang sa Barangay Dahican nga naginusara sa tibok probinsya sa Davao Oriental nga giila nga secondary airport sa Kaap ug kanhi gihinganlan nga Imelda R. Marcos Airport. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Province of Davao Oriental. Stay safe.